She be so tired. She be catching him. How can something so little snore so loud? Carly. Carly. She don't even hear me.